Naturally Nata here. I'm here today to review the new Fenty Beauty Beach Please collection with you guys. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I definitely wanted to try it out for you guys. I'm very excited to be doing this because ever since I got it, which was like 2 days ago, I have just been wanting to put it on my face. I really want to put it on my face like right now. I cannot wait, so let's get right on into it. So the Fenty Beauty Beach Please collection comes with 3 of these kilowatt foil highlighters right here. Once again, the packaging, it's the same packaging as the powder puff that she recently came out with, and the brush, and the other, like basically the whole body lava collection. It's the same packaging as that, which is stunning. It's rose gold with purples and pinks, and just, I don't know, it just looks so beautiful. It looks like this is a jewel right here. It's really beautiful. I have all 3 right here, so I'm going to be swatching all 3 of these for you guys. She also came out with these Island Bling 2-in-1 liquid eye shimmers. I only got one, and I got it in Tinkini and Mamacita, but there is one other option. She also came out with 2 of these Summer Days Iridescent Loop Luminizer Trios. I have one of them right here. This is the more daytime type of lip colors. There is another 3-pack that's more of the nighttime. This one more spoke to me. The other one is, the colors are a bit out there. They're not like everyday wearable type colors, and I mean there is a blue in there and a purple, so some people might think these aren't either, but I've watched a couple reviews of course already of other YouTubers, and this one seemed really beautiful, so I picked up this one. So that's basically all that came out in the collection. I have my bag and my receipt right here because I did get these in store. So the kilowatt foil duos do retail for $36 a piece. This is the first one that I will be swatching for you guys. This one is 7-day weekend and poolside. Do you see this? I couldn't pick just one of these. I had to get them all. They are so beautiful right here. This is Minted Mojito and Sandcastle right here. This one is really pretty too. It might not look like much in the pan, but swatching it is absolutely stunning. This one is in Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise. This one right here is the most famous one because first off, look at the colors, and this is the one that Rihanna actually used. She did a Vogue video, and that's when everybody went psycho. So we have Sangria Sunset, and then we have Mimosa Sunrise. These colors right here are just perfect for spring and summer. It's like the perfect duo. Just beautiful. These are all 6 shades of the kilowatt foils right here. Alright guys, so let's get started. So my face is pretty much done. I have my foundation, brows, my powder, my contour. I also used some of my contour powder, which was this Wet n Wild contouring palette in Caramel Toffee. I also ran some of that into my crease also, so that's why it looks like I have a little bit of eye makeup on, but that's all. So there is no eyeshadow, of course, but you could definitely use these as eyeshadows. There's a lot of like purpley type of shades going in all 3 of these kilowatt highlighter duos. So I feel like I want to do something a bit purpley. I think the first shade I'm going to go into is actually Poolside, which is this dark purple right here. Really beautiful. I love it so much. It's really vibrant, and I think it's gorgeous. I love the color. So I am going to take it up a notch just a bit, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to use my favorite crease cutting concealer, which is the NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Beige. And I also put some powder beneath my eyes, extra powder, so we won't ruin our entire face. So now I'm going to go into the beautiful Sangria Sunset, and I'm gonna pack that all over my lid. The Fenty Beauty Island Bling 2-in-1 Liquid Eye Shimmer to my inner corners. So this is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. It's really, really pretty. They do have another one, but this is the one that really caught my eye. I did go ahead and prime my eyelashes with mascara and pop some lashes on off camera. So we're ready for Tinkini. Wow, that is so pretty. I'm gonna blend that out with a brush while it's still wet, and I'm also gonna bring that to the lower, oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm gonna bring that to the lower lash line also. Sorry, I got a little excited. So these are meant to be added all over. Wow, whoa! These are meant to be added all over your eyelid, which would be stunning. Since I use the Killawatt foils all over my eyelid, I thought I would just add these to the inner corner. As you can see, that's really making this pop. Alright guys, so this is what the eye look is looking like. I ran a bit of poolside underneath my waterline, and yeah, all I have left to do is finish up my lower lash line with some mascara, and then we'll move on to the rest of the products. Highlight my face. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I definitely think I want to bring out more of this mintiness that's in the inner corners. So I think I want to use a bit of this Mint Mojito, which is this shade right here. I am so excited for this part. Oh, yes, this is so pretty. And look how that just goes so well with the inner corner. I'm gonna definitely add some of this to the inner corner also. Just a little bit more. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh my god. I just filmed a festival look. I really wish I would have had these products when I filmed that festival video, because these products are perfect for a festival. I'm gonna put a bit of Sandcastle, which is the other color right here, on top. That might calm it down just a little bit. I just want to see what it'll look like. Ooh, it's not calming it down. Never mind. Ooh, look at that. Into Minted Mojito and add a bit of that on top of this inner corner highlight that we have going on. It's perfect. It goes so perfect. It's like the same shade as Tinkini. Yes, this is beautiful. I'm actually gonna add some of that to my brow bone also. I'm gonna mix both. Getting all three of these. These are effing gorgeous. They're amazing. You could create so many looks with these, and you could use them for your entire face highlight, eyeshadow, inner corner highlight. Like, look at these. I love them so much. These are definitely worth the price. Now I'm gonna move on to the lips. That's the last thing that we have to do. So for the lips, I'm gonna be using this right here, this trio. This is Summer Days. This is the Daytime Lip Collection, an Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trio. I think I'm gonna go in with Ready to Mingle. All three of the colors I think are really pretty, and I actually think they're wearable, even though one of them's blue. I think that would be more of a lip topper on top of a matte lipstick just to spice it up a bit. Today we're gonna go into Ready to Mingle. These smell so good. They smell exactly like the powder puff, like that vanilla cupcakey type of scent, which is amazing. So that's really, really good. Oh my God, I love it. And it feels so good on the lips. Her gloss formula is amazing. As you already know, if you tried the Gloss Bomb or any of the other ones, this feels so smooth and it's so pretty, and it goes with the eyes so well. I feel like a unicorn. I wish I had like a unicorn horn in the middle of my head or something, because that's what I feel like. Then I'm actually going to take some of Single and add it in the center just to see what it'll do. Oh my God, I love it. I can't stop, guys. One more thing. I'm gonna take Minted Mojito over here, and I'm going to add some of that to the Cupid's bow a little bit more. Oh my God. And just a little on top of Single. Last thing we have left to do is to add some of the Fenty Beauty Body Lava and Who Needs Clothes so we can really glow. Guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I'm just really impressed with these products. They are a bit pricey, but all three of those highlighters are absolutely stunning and work amazingly, and I love how different and innovative that they are. It's different. It's something that you haven't really seen on the market yet, as far as two really bright, really pigmented highlighters together that really don't look like highlighter shades that you can use basically everywhere. You can do kind of like an effortless eyeshadow with no transition color, nothing like that. Or you could do something really out there and fun like this. It's really beautiful. All three of them, I highly recommend getting all of those. If you don't get anything else, definitely get that. I really like this lip combo that I did. Even though that collection comes with a blue, as you can see, it's more of like an iridescent type of color that could be a pretty lip topper. And the other shade that I didn't use is orange. Orange is a beautiful color for spring and summer. So that Summer Days collection I absolutely recommend also. Lastly, this 2-in-1 eye shimmer. I'm gonna have to play with this some more. This Tinkini shade is absolutely stunning. I would love to see how it looks all over the lid. I have a feeling it's gonna be beautiful. This other shade I would have to try. This is the only thing that I think that you don't really need. This is beautiful. I love the other two pieces of the collection way more. Let me know what you think of this look down in the description box below, and I can't wait to hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye.